In the last 6 months, my entire life fell apart, and this is the first time I'm actually saying it out loud. I'm in my early 40s, and I've never imagined I'll be here starting all over again, right down back from rock bottom. Failed attempts at business, family chaos, account suspensions, and a property situation that almost cost me thousands. Everything hit all at the same time. Welcome to Modest Money Matters. This channel isn't about pretending I've made it, because trust me, I haven't. It's about rebuilding slowly, honestly, and realistically. Why I've started this channel? Because if I can help just one person who's starting again, or that one person who feels absolutely stuck, or that one person who wants to make money online and doesn't know where to begin, then this channel will be absolutely worth it. Okay, so this is just a little bit of a backstory about myself. About 6 months ago, everything collapsed all at once. I was trying to regain possession of one of my properties while my tenants were behind on their rent. Solicitors were quoting fees that made my heart drop because they were quoting me thousands and thousands. At the same time, I had to move out of my family home, and after a very difficult situation, I ended up staying somewhere temporarily with no functioning kitchen, no stability, and absolutely zero plan. Financially, mentally, emotionally, I just felt cornered. And the hardest part was realizing that I had no one to rely on. No friends, no family, no one. The only person I could rely on was myself. Yet, through all that chaos, strangely enough, the thing that helped me to get back on a little bit of track was AI. And more specifically, it was ChatGPT. I started to use ChatGPT to guide me through the things I didn't understand, the legal forms, the professional messages, the planning, organizing my thoughts, representing myself in court, not to replace a professional, but to understand the process and take back control. And that helped me save thousands and thousands. And then from there, slowly, one decision at a time, I started to slightly rebuild. So over the years, I've made thousands from eBay, Amazon, Etsy, retail arbitrage, and online arbitrage, and even property. But I've also had account bans, suspensions, resets, losses, things people rarely talk about. I'm not rich. I'm no guru. I'm not here to show you some perfect TikTok, Instagram lifestyle. I'm someone with real experience, real failures, real lessons, and I want to share that with you. So this channel is about making money online realistically, rebuilding your life from scratch, using AI to save time and money, self-improvement that actually works, financial independence, honest lessons from real failures, and becoming the version of yourself you actually want to be. No pretending, no fake success, just progress one small step at a time. And if you're starting again too, I want you to know something. Rock bottom is not the end. It's actually the best place to be. It's the foundation from where all this greatness can be. And it's a foundation that you can build on. Even the smallest of steps matter. Even if it's messy progress, it counts. If I can rebuild in my early 40s after everything that's fallen apart in the last 6 months, then you can too. So if you want real stories, real lessons, real experiments in making money online, and you want to rebuild your life alongside someone who's doing it in real time, then join me. Please hit that subscribe button and let's do this together. Thank you for being here right at the very beginning of something new. Drop me a comment and tell me from where you're starting from. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'll read every single one of them. And again, welcome to Modest Money Matters.